Hello, and welcome to the Water Hygiene Centre Academy. Let's have a look at sampling for Pseudomonas aeruginosa. To start off, your sampling kit should contain sample bottles, 200 to 1000 millilitres containing the correct neutralising agent, disposable, powder-free gloves, insulated boxes for transport, cold storage, a swab kit if required, a sampling plan to follow, and the sampling record sheet. You should read and understand the correct Pseudomonas sampling guidance. The method in this video is based on HTM04-01 Part B, Appendix D and E. Pseudomonas contamination is generally found within the last 2 metres to the point of the water delivery. Therefore, pre-flush samples should be collected. Your sample plan may include post-flush samples if they need to be taken in response to initial pre-flush positive. To maximise the recovery of bacteria, the water sample should be taken during a period of no use, at least 2 hours, or preferably longer. If this cannot be achieved, then the sample must be taken during a period of low use. To ensure the sample is taken aseptically, you must use gloves. When removing the bottle cap, you must also make sure nothing touches the inside of the cap or the bottle thread. When collecting the sample, do not sterilise the outlet and ensure the sample bottle does not come in contact with any surfaces such as the underside of the tap. You must take a sample from both the hot and the cold supply. If there is a TMV present, you will need to take a sample from the cold supply setting, the blended middle temperature, and the hot supply setting. If a post-flush sample is required, purge the outlet for 2 minutes before collecting the sample, and use the same sampling technique as before. Fill in the required details on the sample bottle label. This should define the sample type, pre or post flush, the outlet identity, and the sample reference. Then complete the details required on your sampling form. This should include the location, date and time the sample was taken, the name of the sampler, outlet and sample type. If a swab sample is required, rub the swab around the inside of the tap or strainer. Then replace the swab, again ensuring it does not come in contact with any other surface. When you have collected whichever sample you require, gently shake the bottle to activate and distribute the neutralising agent, and place the bottle into an insulated transport box. The samples should be delivered and processed by a laboratory within 2 hours of the samples being taken. Also make sure that the laboratory is UCAS accredited for the services being delivered to you. If this is not possible, then the samples must be kept refrigerated between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius and should be processed within 24 hours. I hope you've enjoyed the basics of Pseudomonas sampling. For more help and guidance, please visit our website, waterhygienecentre.com. Thank you for watching.